Hello everyone. In this video we will learn about the river system of India. We will start with few important points. India has just 4% of world's fresh water. India covered with 9% of water and the rest with land. India has 113 river basins and more than 600 rivers. 90% of total surface water drained into Bay of Bengal and the rest is drained into Arabian Sea. Central Water Commission. The organization currently working as an office attached to the Ministry of Jal Shakti under the Department of Water Resources, River Development and Ganga Rejuvenation. It is formed on 1945. The present Honorable Union Minister is Gajendra Singh Shekhawat and present Honorable Minister of State is Ratan Lal Kataria. Chairman of Central Water Commission is Rajendra Kumar Jain. Ministry of Jal Shakti, which is formed in 2019 under Modi's government, merges Department of Water Resources, River Development and Ganga Rejuvenation, which is formed on 1985, and Ministry of Drinking Water and Sanitation, which is formed on 2011. By the mode of origin, the Indian river system is divided into the Himalayan rivers and the peninsular rivers. The Himalayan rivers are perennial rivers which have water throughout the year. The peninsular rivers are non-perennial rivers which have water seasonally. And coming to the rivers under Himalayan are Indus, Ganga, Brahmaputra. The peninsular rivers are Narmada, Tapi, Mahanandi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri. Coming to Indus river system, it originates in northern slopes of Mount Kailash, which is 6,714 meters, in Tibetan Plateau near Lake Manasarovar. It enters India at Jammu and Kashmir. The total length of Indus river system is 3,180 kilometers. But the length in India is 1,114 kilometers. The countries through which Indus river system flow are China, India, Pakistan. In India, it covers Ladakh and Jammu and Kashmir, which are union territories. And cities Leh, it ends in Arabian Sea near Sindh. Coming to the tributaries of Indus river system, the left tributaries of Indus are Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Satluj, Beas, Zanskar. Coming to the right bank tributaries of Indus are Sheyong, Kunar, Kabul, Swat, Gomal, Shob. The Indus, which originates in Manasarovar, enters India at Jammu and Kashmir and flows through Pakistan towards Arabian Sea. Coming to the tributaries of Indus, Satluj, it rises from Rakas Lake near Manasarovar Lake. It enters India at Himachal Pradesh and out of 1500 kilometers, 1050 kilometers flow in India. Bhakra Dam has been constructed across the river in Himachal Pradesh, which is third largest reservoir in India. To the downstream of Bhakra, there is a Nangal Dam in Punjab. Sometimes both the dams together are called Bhakra Nangal Dam. And the next tributary of Indus is Beas, which originates near Rohtang Pass, meets Satluj River at Harike, Punjab. Comparatively a small river which is only 470 km long lies entirely in India. Next tributary of Indus is Ravi, rises near Rohtang Pass in Kulu, very close to Beas River. It meets Chenab at Rangpur in Pakistani Punjab. The next Indus tributary is Chenab, which originates near Baralacha Pass, which is of length 960 km in Himachal Pradesh. And the next tributary is Jhelum, which rises in a spring at Verinag in the Kashmir Valley. It flows to Ullar Lake. The course of length is 725 km. It joins Chenab at Trimum. It is the most important river of Kashmir. Next, coming to Ganga river system, which originates in Gangotri Glacier in Uttarakhand. The total length of Ganga river is 2601 km, but the length in India is 2525 kilometers. The countries it covers is India, Bangladesh has Padma. States Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, and the cities it covers Rishikesh, Haridwar, Farrukhabad, Prayagraj, Varanasi, Patna, Kolkata. It ends in Bay of Bengal. Coming to the tributaries, the left tributaries of Ganga are Gomti, Ghagra, Ghandak, Koshi. Coming to the right tributaries of Ganga river system are Yamuna, Son, Damodara, Pumpun. Ganga rises from Gangotri Glacier near Manapas, Uttarakashi of Uttarakhand. The rivers Bhagirathi and Alkananda meets at Devprayag. After Devprayag, the rivers is called Ganga. At Haridwar, Ganga merges from mountains onto the plains. From Haridwar, it passes through Allahabad, Varanasi, Patna and Farka. After Farka barrage, the rivers split into Bhagirathi, Hooghly towards Kolkata, and as Padma enters into Bangladesh. From Hooghly river, it merges into Bay of Bengal. Coming to the tributaries of Ganga, Yamuna is the largest tributary of Ganga. It rises in Yamunotri Glacier in Uttarakhand. Yamuna emerges with all its tributaries and flows towards Allahabad, where it joins with Ganga. The main tributaries of Yamuna are Chambal, which rises in Vindhya range in Madhya Pradesh and flows through a length of 960 km and joins Yamuna in Uttar Pradesh. The Banasa rivers from Aravalli range, Kalasindh and Parbati from Malwa Plateau are tributaries of Chambal. The dams across the Chambal river are Gandhi Sagar, Rana Pratap Sagar and Jawahar Sagar. Sindh, which rises in Malwa Plateau of Madhya Pradesh and flows for a distance of 470 km and joins Yamuna at Uttar Pradesh. Another tributary of Yamuna are Betwa, which rises in Vindhya range in Madhya Pradesh and flows for a distance of 490 km and joins Yamuna at Hamirpur in Uttar Pradesh. And the next tributary of Yamuna is Ken, which rises in Kaimur range in the Madhya Pradesh and flows for a distance of 427 km and joins Yamuna at Chilla in Uttar Pradesh. And coming to the tributary of Ganga, Son is the next tributary of Ganga, which rises in Madhya Pradesh and flows for a distance of 784 km and joins Ganga near Patna in Bihar. Punpun is the next tributary of Ganga, which rises in Palamu district of Jharkhand and flows for a distance of 200 km and joins Ganga. Damodara is the right tributary of Ganga, which rises in Chota Nagpur plateau of Jharkhand and flows a distance of 592 km and joins Hooghly river in Howrah, West Bengal. Gomti is the left tributary of Ganga, which rises in Gomthal, Uttar Pradesh and flows for a distance of 900 km and joins Ganga at Varanasi. Gagra is the next left tributary of Ganga, which rises in Himalayan glaciers in Tibet and flows a distance of 1080 km and joins Ganga in Bihar. Gandak is the next left tributary of Ganga, which rises in Indo-Nepal border and flows for a distance of 630 km and joins Ganga near Patna. Koshi is the next left tributary of Ganga, which rises in Tribeni Ghat, Nepal and flows for a distance of 729 km and joins Ganga near Kurasila, Bihar. Koshi is referred as Sara of Bihar. And the next Himalayan river is Brahmaputra, which originates in Himalayan glacier in Tibet. The total length of Brahmaputra is 2900 km, but the length in India is 916 km, and the countries it covers Tibet, India, Bangladesh. The states it covers Arunachal Pradesh, Assam. The cities it covers Guwahati, Dibrugarh, Tezpur, Dhubri. It ends in Bay of Bengal. Coming to the tributaries of Brahmaputra, the left bank tributaries are Dibang, Lohit, Tanasiri, Kopili. And coming to the right bank tributaries, Subansiri, Manas, Teesta. Brahmaputra, which originates in Himalayan glaciers in Tibet near to Manasarovar Lake, close to Indus and Satluj shores, and enters in India in Arunachal Pradesh. Here it is called Dihang. Brahmaputra, also known as Sangpo in Tibet. Later, it merges with tributaries Lohit and Dibang and called as Brahmaputra. It flows through Arunachal Pradesh and Assam and enters Bangladesh near Dhubri and joins with Teesta River. Here it is called Jamuna and flows for a distance 270 kilometers and to join with Ganga. The Jamuna and Ganga flows further in the name of Padma. Later, it merges with Meghna and flows into Bay of Bengal. Here, it forms as the largest delta in the world called Sundarban Delta. Now we'll see the left bank tributaries of Brahmaputra. Dibang, which originates in the Dibang Valley of Arunachal Pradesh, flows for a distance of 195 km and enters river Lohit near Sadia. Next tributary is Lohit, which rises in Tibet and enters Arunachal Pradesh. The length of Lohit is 450 km and joins Brahmaputra at Sadia town. On Lohit, there is a Dhola Sadia Bridge or Bhupen Hazarika Bridge, which is India's longest river bridge with the length of 9.15 km long that connects states of Assam and Arunachal Pradesh. It is opened on 26th May 2017. Next left bank tributary of Brahmaputra is Dhanasiri, which rises in Nagaland and flows through a distance of 352 km and joins Brahmaputra. Next one, Kopili, which rises in Meghalaya Plateau and flows through a distance of 290 km and joins Brahmaputra at Assam. Coming to the right bank tributaries of Brahmaputra, Subansiri, which originates in China. It is the largest tributary of Brahmaputra of length 442 km and joins Brahmaputra at Lakhimpur, Assam. Near Subansiri, there is a world's largest river island called Majuli. In 2016, it became the first island to be made a district in India. Next tributary is Manas, which originates in Tibet and passes Bhutan and flows through a length of 376 km and joins Brahmaputra in Assam. Next tributary is Teesta, which originates in eastern Himalayas and flows through Sikkim, West Bengal of length 315 km and joins Brahmaputra in Bangladesh. Meghna is the river of Bangladesh that joins with Padma to form a world's largest delta called Sundarban Delta. In the next video, we will learn about the peninsular rivers. Thank you.